We are at the Tailgate Grill in Tomball. Walk up to the counter, place your order, and wait for your name to be called. They have a nice covered patio to eat under with fans, or there's picnic tables with umbrellas outside. Happy trails. They have some nice decor around as well. Old-fashioned stuff, which is nice to look at. Jason ordered the cheesesteak with the onions and the mushrooms on the side. Everybody else ordered cheeseburgers. I had onion rings with mine and bacon. Everybody else had fries. Let's take a moment to give thanks.
Items like hygiene products, diapers, pet food, and
Dear
cleaning
God,
supplies.
we pray over this food. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Let's show the strength of Houston.
These homemade onion rings look really good. Look at that. Nice and crispy. Good onion flavor. These are really good. I ordered a side of the jalapeno ranch to dip these in. So let's see how it tastes. Wow, this is really good. It's got a really good kick to it. It's not mild like some places. You can really taste the heat in this. How's the cheesesteak?
It's a good cheesesteak. I like it. The meat's pretty good. The bread, it could be better, but it adds something to it. The cheese, it was melted, but I didn't really taste it all that much. It didn't come seasoned, but I seasoned it myself, and that really brought out the flavor of the meats. I liked it.
They have good sized burgers. Look how good that looks. Toppings are fresh. Cheese is melted. Wow. This is a great burger. The meat's cooked well to where it's still juicy. Everything tastes really good. This is a great burger. Very, very good. I mean, I don't see how you can get any better than this. This is really good. Shaved lettuce falling off on the paper, but that's about it. This is a great burger. Yvette loved her burger too, and the homemade fries are really good as well. They just make really good food here. Look at those fries. You can see, yeah, good stuff. I got to try some, and they were really good. My parents enjoyed their burgers too. They shared an order of fries. Nice views all around from the covered patio. Here's a better look at those fries. Look at how nice those look. Very, very good. It's great when you have a place that can make homemade fries. Tastes so much better. Jason ordered a brownie for dessert. That brownie looks pretty good.
And it is pretty good. It's rich and chocolatey, but it's not completely overwhelming. It's not overly sweet, it's not overly chocolatey, and it has some nuts in there to help balance it out. I like it.
Here's some more of that decor that I saw in the restroom. Very nice old-fashioned stuff that you don't see too often anymore. Here's a look at the covered picnic tables. And then they have a little play area for the kids. Well, that's it to our visit to Tailgate Grill in Tomball. Very good burgers, french fries, and onion rings. Great food. Glad we found this place. Thank you so much for watching. If you find value in these videos, please like and subscribe. And until next time, God bless you.